garden. What are the considerations that you have taken into account in choosing the location of your nursery?
Dito kami nagtatanim kasi yung lupa dito is mataba. Maganda taniman ng mga halaman, mga gulay.
Who designed the nursery?
Design? Kami lang nagdi-design, mga grupo din.
What were the seedlings that you choose and why did you choose them?
I choose this mustasa because mustasa is mabilis siya mabuhay, hindi ganong makagat ng mga dahon at syempre yung talbos, pangpaganda.
Where did you buy the seeds?
In somewhere in Shopee.
How much was the cost of putting up a nursery?
How much? Very low price. It's only 30 pesos, 1/4.
How did you take care of the seedlings?
I take care to dilig the halaman and syempre nagdadamo kami para malinis yung halaman.
What were the problems you experienced and how did you resolve it?
The problem is yung mga halaman namin kinakagat ng mga insekto. Yun ang problema namin.
So yun na nga po yung in-interview ko ang the owner of the garden. Yun po yung mga sagot niya dito sa mga garden. At yun lang po. Thank you.